Hey guys, in this video we'll be discussing about how to center a div in 5 ways using CSS. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. This really motivates me to make these kind of videos. Okay, without any further, let's get started. This is my HTML file containing a session. Instead, we have a div tag which is named as child and parent as parent. Okay. So very first method is by using flex. So I'll just select parent tag. I'll set display flex, justify content center, which aligns in horizontal, and for vertical, align items. So this is the very first method. And second method is by using position. So I'll just remove this bit of code and I'll select child element. So I'm going to set parent position as absolute. I'm sorry, relative, and child position as absolute. So I'm setting top 50 percentage, left 50 percentage, and then transform, translate minus 50 percentage, comma, minus 50 percentage. So this is the very second method. And the third method is using by grid system. I'll just remove this bit of code over here and I'll set display as grid and same as justify content center, align item center. So this is the very third method by using a CSS grid system, and the fourth method is by using tables. So just remove this bit of code over here and this also. So I'm going to set parent display as table cell and text align center and vertical align center. Sorry, as method. And then the child, I'll just simply mention display as inline block. So this is the fourth method, and the fifth method is by using margin auto on flex item. Okay, I'll just remove this code and set display as flex, and child I'll just add margin set as auto. So this is the very fifth method by using margin auto on flex item. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe the channel.